Washington's ban on high-capacity magazines ruled unconstitutional. Today, a judge in Cowlitz County issued an injunction against the state's ban of magazines with more than 10 rounds. Immediately after that, the state Supreme Court intervened. Good evening. Thanks for joining us for K2 News at 11 o'clock tonight. I'm Deborah Knapp. Washington's high-capacity magazine ban is still in effect for now. K2's Barry Mangold spoke with both sides of this case, joins us now live. This all started with a gun store challenging that ban.
Yeah, Deb, that store is Gators Custom Guns in Kelso. An employee there told me today that they were selling those larger magazines after that injunction came out of Cowlitz County up until the state Supreme Court commissioner issued the stay reinstituting the ban. The state attorney general tells me he's convinced that the ban will ultimately be upheld.
There are reasonable restrictions on all of our constitutional rights, and that includes the Second Amendment.
Washington Attorney General and gubernatorial candidate Bob Ferguson says he's very assured that the state's ban on selling firearm magazines with more than 10 rounds will survive a legal challenge. On Monday, Cowlitz County Judge Gary Bashore deemed the law unconstitutional and issued an injunction, writing, quote, "It is logically inconceivable that an item that is constitutionally protected to possess could be prohibited from sale to the very people who have the protected right to possess it." Shortly after, the Washington State Supreme Court halted that ruling and has taken over the case.
I thought he did a very thorough and well-detailed, well-crafted opinion.
The initial challenge to the law came from Gators Custom Guns, a Kelso firearms retailer that was accused of illegally selling large magazines. The store's attorney, Pete Serrano, says the law hinders the rights of legal gun owners.
Fundamentally, what this law does is it prohibits law-abiding citizens from owning firearms that have higher than 10-round capacity. Some arms are designed specifically with greater than 10-round capacity.
Ferguson called the Cowlitz County ruling incorrect and told K2 that precedent is on his side.
Obviously, respect the fact that people have different views on this. That's the nature of living in a democracy like this. But the one thing that is non-dispute is that court after court after court after court has upheld these laws as being consistent with the Second Amendment, and those judges have been judges of all orientations.
And Attorney General Ferguson also told me that he wouldn't be surprised if the state Supreme Court moves quickly to get hearings scheduled in this case because of its importance. That being said, there is no timeline just yet, but we'll keep you posted as soon as there is. Barry Mangold, K2 News.
Barry, thank you.